Good morning, welcome back to my channel Zarinaverse. Today I'm going to show you something different that I'm thinking from so long to make. This idea got to me when I was thinking of making a bouquet, a small bouquet that I usually keep it in my kitchen from the store bought flowers. But this time I saw so many flowers in my garden, so I thought, okay, I will cut some flowers and some leaves, and I will arrange a small bouquet in my kitchen counter. So usually I use the big one. As this is a small one, I use this. So I hope you like this, my small bouquet. So with these flowers, today I'm going to make pounding the flowers on a t-shirt. The print will come on the t-shirt and the design will look very good. So for that I'm taking all the flowers, I'm picking all the flowers from our garden. So I have got some yellow, pink, purple, then I have taken some green leaves. This is the nasturtium plant which I have, and this is from the bouquet, a previous bouquet. The flowers are getting dried, so that's why I have picked some from that bouquet too. And today I'm going to do the pounding on this t-shirt, which I usually wear it at home. I don't have a plain t-shirt, so this is a McDonald's t-shirt I have. So I thought, okay, I will just try it out on this t-shirt to see how it goes. So first I'm arranging all the flowers in the way I like, to see whether everything fits well, or you can make changes however you want. So right now I feel this looks good. And so on top of this I am going to put a paper, in any newspaper or any printing paper, anything you can place on top of the paper, and just hold it with your hand and start pounding. You have to smash it very hard, then only the print will come very clearly. It can be seen on the t-shirt very clearly. I loved the end result. I hope you will also like it. Just smash very well using the hammer. That's it. All the colors should be seen on the t-shirt, so that's why we are doing this process. Now when we remove this, I'm just taking out all the petals that is stuck on the t-shirt and making it clear. Using fabric markers, I'm just giving outlines to the flowers and the leaves so that it can be seen very clearly. So wherever you can see the flowers and all, you can use the fabric markers and just give some outlines. I'm ironing the print so that it will stay for long. You have to hand wash the t-shirt and later on it will stay forever. So that's why I'm just ironing everything properly. Just iron it using the lowest temperature. Just that we have to get all the colors on the t-shirt. I liked all the colors on my t-shirt, and this looks so beautiful. So this is the end result, and I think you all like my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.